أيوة صح. Okay. So you know the difference now or you are still confused؟
No, I know the difference.
وأنا مش سامعة صوتك خالص يا صبا. صوتك جاي من بعيد قوي كده.
بعيد ازاي؟
مش عارفة صوتك ده يكون مكتوم أو مش سامعاه خالص. طيب. Okay. Now you know the difference between the word particle and the word grain.
Yes.
Yes. When we are talking about the particles, we are talking about the particles of the matter. When we are talking about the solid, so we are talking about the particles that make the solid, which is the atom, the substance or the smooth substance, which can be, which cannot be broken to a smaller substance. But when we are talking about the grain, اللي هي حبات الرمل أو حبات السكر، تمام؟ 1 grain of sand or 1 grain of sugar contain a lot of amount, contain a big number of particles. Okay? 1 grain of salt or 1 grain of sugar contain large number of atoms or large number of particles. This is the difference between grain and particle. The particle is much more smaller than the grain. I can see the grain by my eyes, but I can't see the particle. The particle is very small. Okay, Sabah?
Okay.
Okay. We will continue in the workbook. Okay. Particles are moving. Is there any particles that they are not moving? Hey, Sabah? No. Okay. No. All particles are in continuous moving. The solid state particles are in a vibrating movement. The liquid state particles are moving around each other. They are sliding over each other. The particles of the gas can move freely. So all the particles are moving. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So yes, we will ask another question. Particles are touching in contact with each other. Okay? No, when we say no, this state is called what? Which particles are free from each other, each particle move freely, have big spaces between.
Liquid.
What?
Liquid.
No. Liquid are in touch.
Solid.
Also no. Liquid and solid, their particles are in touch. They are near each other. The particles that are not in touching or are not in contact with each other are the gas particles.
Gas? I think it was a gas.
علي صوتك معلش.
Gas.
Gas, okay. So here the particles are in touching when we answer no, so the state is gas. The gas particles, each particle, the space between the particles is big. They are not in touching. They are not in contact with each other. Okay? They are moving freely. Each particle moves freely away from the other particles. Okay, when we said yes, that the particles are touching, we will ask another question. Particles are regularly arranged. Which state of matter which has particles are regularly arranged? إيه؟
Arrange it like
طبعا معايا؟
أيوة.
Okay. The particles that are arranged regularly are the solid state matter. صبا سامعاني؟
أيوة yeah but أنا قلت solid state matter.
ما سمعتكيش خالص، صوتك بعيد قوي. Okay. بصي look with me صبا. These are the particles of solid. Okay. The particles of solid are arranged near each other. They are arranged very neatly. Okay, they are close to each other. They are in touch. Okay. This is the liquid state, the solid state particles. Okay, they are moving in a vibrating movement. Okay, صبا؟ صبا سمعاني؟
أيوة.
Okay, these are the particles of the liquid. Okay, they can move and slide around each other. Okay, the particles of gas, we have no picture for the particles of gas. Okay, stay with me for a minute.
What water? Examine its properties. A property is the take up. Plants are all that doesn't change when you move it or put it in a consistent mass and volume. This is because the atoms in a solid object are packed closely together.
Can you see the atom of solid?
Yes.
Okay, this is the atom of the solid. He must arrange them. He doesn't put them in arranging tree.
For
Okay.
instance, if you find any liquid is the next state of matter. Liquids have a definite volume and are still close together, but unlike
Okay, this is the atoms of the liquid.
round. This allows the matter in a liquid to flow. Because liquids don't have their own shape, they take their shape from their containers. The same amount of liquid is buried in glass and spilled on the floor. You can find examples of liquids around you too. Water, milk, and juice are just some of the liquids you might find. The third state of matter is gas. Gases have a definite mass, but they do not have a definite shape or volume. Like liquids, gases take the shape of their containers. Unlike liquids, gases will spread out to completely fill the container they are in. If a gas is not in a container, it will keep spreading out indefinitely. This is because the atoms in a gas are farther apart than atoms in a solid or a liquid.
Can you see the atoms of the gas?
The air you breathe is an example of a gas.
Can you see it,
You
Sabah?
might have noticed that you can't really see air.
Sabah?
Yes.
Can you see the atoms of the gas?
Yes.
Okay.
Often, gases are invisible, but they are still there. There are many different types of gases in the Earth's atmosphere, like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, and water vapor. Sometimes matter can change from one state to another. Water is a very good example of this.
Okay, Sabah? Sabah?
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's answer this question, Sabah. You want for me to match. Okay, according to the properties. Okay, Sabah? سامعاني يا صبا؟ صبا؟ صبا سامعاني؟
أيوة.
Okay, yeah. The first one, it is a solid, it is shiny and hard.
Honey.
إيه؟
Honey.
Solid, it is a solid.
Okay. Okay, this yellow, this keys.
Keys, yes, very good. It's a solid and shiny and hard is the key. Okay, okay. Second one, it is a liquid. It's not very runny.
Honey.
Honey, very good. It takes the shape of its container. It is runny.
Yes.
It,
Oh no. The yellow bottle.
the oil, yes. It
Yes.
takes the shape of its container. It fills its container.
Balloon.
Balloon, yes. Gas state. The gas state of matter. It's a gas. It is hot.
The boil gas.
Yes. The water vapor here. It takes the shape of its container. It's not a liquid.
Sugar.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Calculate the volume of each shape. Do you remember how to calculate the volume?
We only do.
Only 2A?
No, we only do plus.
Plus or multiply?
Multiply.
Multiply, okay. So here we will make 5 times 5 times 3. What it would be, what is the answer?
Okay. Uh, 34 equals to 34.
44.
44.
No, 44, that's false. 5 times 5 times 3 equals 75.
75.
75.
How? 5 multiply 5 equal 25. With 3 multiply 3 equal 9. 25 plus 9.
Where's the second 3? We make 5. Multiply 5, multiply 3.
Oh, okay, 75. Yeah, I
Okay.
only do 70.
So this one will be 75. The second one,
Okay. 243.
43.
No,
You add them or multiply them?
no. I said 100 and what to 100 and
20.
20.
Yes, 120. Okay.
224. 124.
120 only. 120. 10 times 4 equal 40. 40 times 3.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The third one, 8 times 6 times 4. 8 times 6 equal
48.
48. 48 times 4.
48 times 4.
Hmm.
192.
192. Okay, 192. What about the last one? 4 times 2 equal?
I can't see.
I can't what?
I can see 4 times 8.
لا. 8 times 7.
8 times 7 equal 56.
Okay, 56. We are calculating what?
What?
We are calculating what? The mass or the volume?
The mass.
The mass?
Volume.
The volume. The volume. Okay. The mass, we can measure the mass by using scale.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, and this one. Here we measure the volume for the liquid. We measure the volume for the solid by multiplying its dimensions, length, width, and height. We measure the volume of the liquid by, what's this called, this name, this thing, measuring cup.
measuring cup.
Okay, what is the volume of the first liquid? Can you see the number?
110.
110, 1000 or 100?
I see it 100, 1010.
1010.
and 500.
بالراحة ركزي يا صو. بصي this line is 100 and this line is sorry, this line is 1000. This line is 1500. So each line is 100. And this one is 1. So it will be
500.
no, 1100. Can you see this number?
Yes.
This number is 1500. The water is here in this level.
Okay, 1100.
Yes. Okay. The second one.
Okay, 1580.
Another time. هتبقى 1000.
No, I see the third one. I didn't see it. 1100.
1100.
Yeah, the second one.
The second one 1100.
I can't see it clearly.
You can see
this
it? This one.
Okay, 1580.
Okay, one line with one. أكبرها أكتر ثواني. Can you see it now clearly?
Okay, I see it.
This is 1500. This line. This line
Okay.
is 100 milli. So 1600, 1700, 1800. So the level of the water in 1800. Okay?
Okay, I saw it now.
Okay, this one.
Okay. I can't see it.
خلاص احنا بلاش. هي اصلا صعبة يعني.
لا هي مش صعبة بس
هي
أنا
مش باينة. هي سهلة بس هي مش باينة. هي لو باينة هتبقى
أيوة.
سهلة لكن هي مش باينة. اوكي. ودي برضو هتبقى مش باينة. اوكي كفاية. طيب هي كفاية صباح. بتلاقي كله عايز. طيب انتي محتاجة وقت تذاكري اليونت ده ولا تمتحني عليه المرة الجاية او قبل المرة الجاية؟
شوف كده لو هقدر اوكي، لو مش هقدر هشوف.
طيب
بس اليونت دي في حاجات فيها سهل وفي حاجات فيها صعب.
اوكي. طيب ممكن لو عايزة ممكن مثلا نراجع عليها الليسون الجاي، نراجع على اليونت كله، نعيد فيه الحاجات اللي ممكن تكونش واضحة قوي ونأكد عليها، وبعد كده تاخدي الامتحان مثلا بعد الحصة الجاية. What do you think؟
ماشي.
اوكي خلاص. انتي برضو ذاكريه علشان تشوفي يعني ايه الحاجات اللي انتي فاهماها، الحاجات اللي مش فاهماها قوي، حاجات مثلا عايز توضيح اكتر، عايزة يعني انتي اقريه او حاولي تذاكريه بحيث تشوفي ايه اللي سهل بالنسبه لك وايه اللي صعب. واحنا كده كده هنعيد تاني ايه المره الجايه لو في اي حاجه انتي مش فاهماها، او هنعمل ريفيجن عليه كده ونظبطه. تمام. اوكي. اوكي محتاجه حاجه دلوقتي؟ تمام يا صباح. صباح.
ايوه تمام.
تمام يا حبيبي. يلا السلام عليكم.